I know you have all missed us, right? Well, we've missed you. You're probably wondering where we've been. Where have we been?
Okay, so we haven't posted a video in 2 months.
I'm sorry.
We have been counting the days and we've been feeling worse and worse. Thank you for sticking around. We want to start posting regularly again, but I guess we wanted to do a really quick video to just catch you up on our lives, tell you where we've been and where we're going, what our plans are with this channel. Looking back through our calendar, because we actually didn't know what happened. We looked back through our calendar and we realized that we just scheduled ourselves for way too much in April and May. So he was swamped and I was swamped. And then it was my best friend's wedding and we also did her bachelorette. And also during that mix, I got really sick and Jake also got sick. I gave it to him. He
like
also
antibiotics
got sick.
in bed, not going to work, like bad.
I have never lost my voice before and that was the first time I actually lost my voice. It was a weird feeling. I'm singing in the rain. What a beautiful day to be singing a song. That's pretty good, actually.
After we were sick, what came up then? I think, I kept having work things, like going away for work, consistently having to work on the weekends. That happens all the time in my position.
We were just so booked, literally. Like, we just, like...
We have a bad habit of taking on too much. But what are you laughing?
No, it's because I'm laughing because it's true.
It is true.
It's like, I think it's because we have like a fear of...
FOMO?
Yeah, kind of.
Like, we have never been on a relaxing vacation.
Ever.
Where you just go and lay on a beach, all inclusive, Mexico, Hawaii, any of that. Never done it.
I don't even know if we could do it, honestly.
Because the part of me is like, you only live once, so go and see as much as you can. But the other side is like, you only live once, so why not to get some downtime?
That's true.
It's a struggle.
It's just like a constant battle.
And like, we're on the end of our 20s, so I feel like we're getting towards 30. And like, I'm really getting off topic, but it is
it's just a
crisis.
Really
What happened in June? Because I think we're in June.
I have no idea.
June just
what happened.
got away from us. Like, I was booked every weekend for work again.
Yeah.
And then we both work full time on top of our extra things.
Yeah, so then...
Like, I work in other industries as well, and so does Tatina. You gotta get that bread, right?
Maybe we get too much bread.
But I feel like we don't. I feel like we spend that bread too.
We eat that bread so fast.
Yeah, we do. And then July happened, and that's when we went to Portugal.
Wait, hold on. No, we went in June. We went.
What? Thunder? Oh, stolen. Thank you. There you go. Okay, go ahead.
You said, okay.
Put in our biggest trip there.
That's not thunder stolen. That is me placing your thunder in the correct spot.
In the garbage. But like taking it from me without my permission.
That's not what I had to do. Okay. No, but actually it was in June. We left June 22nd, I think.
Yeah, we did.
So that's what happened in June. Jake had another work thing. It was an international business trip, so he was in Portugal
for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks,
yeah.
A week for work. So I decided to fly over as well to Europe because one of my good friends, Corinne, who you'll see in future videos, her and her boyfriend, they live in London. So I went and stayed a week with them, or 5 days actually, and I kind of explored around London with her while he did his work thing. And then after that, I met up with him in Portugal and we went to
Lisbon for 4 days and Porto for 3 days.
Yeah.
We did a week in traveling around Portugal, and that was really, really fun. That was the first time I've been in Europe, first time Tatina's been in Europe, so that was awesome. And then we came home and then we were working a lot, trying to catch up. And then I feel like that we're now almost. At
some point during our like sickness craziness, we got so overwhelmed that we were like, you know what, we cannot do our 4-week-long trip to Thailand and Vietnam this summer. Like, there's just no way we overbooked ourselves. This is not going to happen. So we sadly had to cancel that. But instead, we did decide to book a trip to go to California, San Francisco, San Diego. We're going to kind of like drive the coast there, the Pacific Coast Highway, and we'll only go there for 2 weeks.
We've done California before. We've never been that far down south exploring, and we've never been up that far north, I guess, to San Francisco.
Yeah.
We've just done really LA, and we've done like Vegas, which is like right beside California. We have a lot of things already filmed. Like we did film Portugal, and we filmed camping trips, and you know, she filmed London. So we got a lot in the bank, ready to go. It's just got to be set up, and we take a lot of pride in displaying a good video. You know, like we don't just want to throw it together.
That was part of it. Like I probably could have, put out videos, but I just wouldn't have been as proud of them.
It takes Tatina quite a while to make a video.
That's an embarrassing one.
But she's a perfectionist. It's a con somewhat, because it takes you forever, and like you never feel like anything's good enough. And when she watches the final product, I'm like, wow, this is amazing, like great video. You know, she sees every little bad thing in it.
I do.
Still.
Yes.
But I think I would rather have a quality video than a consistent
something that's been like thrown together.
Exactly. Yeah. So those will come out.
I am excited to go back and look at those videos and all the memories. But yeah, I think we did like a day trip to the States, like the Bellingham.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, and we did like there was a camping one.
Yeah, there was camping.
London, Portugal.
I kind of vlogged my laser eye surgery start to finish. I got laser eye surgery in this eye. We bought a generator and kind of did a little review of that. That's been cool.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that too. See, so many. Like we booked ourselves to like film a lot of things, but then we just fell apart.
We didn't have time to actually edit the videos.
Yeah. But anyways, we are really, really excited to share that content with you. We'll put those out as soon as we can. My plan is, after this video, since we're leaving for California for 2 weeks, I'm going to try and take it easy and maybe put out another video within the next 3 weeks. And then after that, I will start doing them on a weekly basis again. That's my goal. Yeah. This is Neo.
We have cats too.
Yeah.
It's just one. This is our first baby we got.
Yeah.
Neo's 8, I think.
Oh my gosh,
I got Neo for Tatina's birthday.
Yeah, it was really cute.
1 year. When we a couple years after we started living together.
Yeah.
He gives kisses.
He gives kisses. He's a funny boy.
We also have potentially another Europe trip planned.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. It depends if things go well with my work, like if that opportunity comes up. But it looks like it could be promising. I don't want to give away too much. I don't want to say really where we're going yet.
I know.
We have a couple areas in mind, and then next year we're looking at maybe Japan again.
Yes, I have family in Japan, so we kind of made a rule between the two of us that every 4 years at least we would go to Japan and visit everybody.
Yeah, we've been twice so far.
2015, 2019, so next one is 2023.
So we might do summer there and do like 3 weeks in Japan, something like that.
That would be cool. I guess to kind of wrap this up, thank you to those of you who have stuck around, to our new followers. Hi. I guess I should introduce myself. I'm Tatina and this is Jake. Hey. We're really excited to keep posting camping, RV, travel content this year, and stick around.
Watch for our next few videos. We got some good stuff coming up.
Thank you. Okay, bye. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
He's purring. You want to hear him purr?
Purr, purr.